This 2026 Forest River Puma Camping Edition 16 DSCE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.